everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siru. My name is Siru, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share it and like it. As always, don't forget to hit the bell icon, and also you will check all my ingredients that I use in the recipes. You can see in the description box. So today I'm going to make mushroom sandwich. So let's start. So okay, let's see the ingredients. I'm using 2 slices of brown bread, but you can use a white bread as well. So I'm using this mozzarella cheese and onion, small size, it's chopped, and then 5 to 6 mushroom is chopped, and salt and butter and pepper and some oil. So let's start. First thing, turn on the gas, and then we're gonna put some oil. Okay, the pan is hot, the oil is hot. Now I'm going to put mushroom. And then stir it. Now I'm going to put chopped onion, as well as I'm going to put salt, a pinch of salt, and then I'm going to add some pepper, black pepper. Okay. Make sure the heat is in low flame. So while it's cooking, I'm going to spread the butter on the bread. Like this. And another side of the bread. Okay, done. So let's check the mushroom. It takes 2 to 3 minutes to cook the mushroom and onion. If you want to add a chili, green chili, you can add chopped green chili as well. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm going to put this stuff on top of the bread. Like this. And then I'm going to spread it. And I'm going to add cheese on top of it. And I'll put this slice on top of it. Now, still pan is hot. I'm going to put some butter. And spread it, and then I'm going to put this bread like this. You have to cook this until the side is golden brown. Okay, one side is brown. Let's check. Yeah. Now I'm going to put a little bit of butter on top of this slice of bread. And I'm going to flip it like this. To check it, it's brown or not. Okay, this is ready. I will turn off the heat and then I'm gonna put it on a plate. Like this. This is ready. Okay, now I'm going to cut it. And show you. It's really looks cheesy and it's really tasty food. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video, share it, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. And you can see all the ingredients that I use inside the description box. So I hope you will try it, and I will see you again in the next recipe. Thank you for your time. Thank you and bye bye.